students. In last session, we studied potential energy for a system of two-point charges. We consider their two-point charges. By using this, the potential energy for a system of two-point charges, we derive the relation U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12, where R12 is the distance of two charges. Then by using this relation, we derive the potential energy for a system of n point charges. Then here we consider the next charge Q3, which is brought from infinity to point C. Then work has to be done against the electrostatic forces of Q1 and Q2 charges. Against the electrostatic force of the Q1 and Q2 charges. So W3 is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, and there are two charges. Q1 charge, which is distance between R1 3, means it is the distance between Q1 to Q3, plus Q2 charge, it is the distance between R2 3, and there is a presence of charge is multiplied by Q3. Then after multiplying the equation, we get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus Q2 into Q3 upon R23. This is the equation of work done when the charge Q3 is brought from infinity to point C. Here we consider the next charge Q4, which is brought from infinity to point D. When this charge Q4 is brought from infinity to D, the work has to be done against the electrostatic force of Q1, Q2 and Q3. So the work done W4 is the potential at D due to charge potential at D due to charge Q1, Q2, Q3 and multiplied by charge Q4. Then potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. This is the constant term. Then here is Q1, which is directed from R1 to 4. Then next Q2, this charge which is directed from R to 4, and Q3 charge which is directed from R3 4, multiplied by there is a charge Q4. After multiplying this Q4 in each term, then we get the next relation is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplying Q1 Q4 upon R14 plus Q2 Q4 upon R24 plus Q3 Q4 upon R34. This is the equation of W4, means whenever the Q4 charge is brought from infinity to D, then this equation we get this equation. Then we know that this equation can be written is in generalized form, means it is written in summation form, means W is equal to, this is the constant term 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, means here we calculate the work done for n point charges. So we require summation all pairs, means this is these all pairs means Q here in Qj and Qk, and are also from J to K. R is directed from J to K. This is the generalized equation of the n point charges. We know that, but we know that the work done, it is stored in the form of potential energy. So the formula for the potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 summation of all pairs Qj upon Qj into Qk upon Rj into Rk. This is the potential energy for a system of n point charges. Then next. Now the C points is potential energy of a single charge which is placed in an external field. Now here we determine the potential energy of single charge in an external field which is not produced by using a charge. So we have to calculate here potential. Then the charge Q, here the external field whose magnitude is E, which is related to the external potential V, which may vary point to point. Here consider VR is the external potential at point P. VR is the external potential VR is the external potential at point P having position vector r by using definition. The work done by bringing unit positive charge work done by bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point P, which is equal to V. So work done by bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point P, which is equal to V, means here the which is equal to V, and then it is therefore the work done by bringing charge from infinity work done by bringing charge Q from infinity to the given location in an external field then this work done means W is equal to Q V into R, means this charge Q which is brought from infinity to the location. This location means V is the location in an external field. This is the work done, and we know that this work done which is stored in the form of potential energy. Work done which is stored in the form of potential energy. So potential energy, symbol for the potential energy is U, and this equation is QVR. This is the equation of the potential energy of a single charge which is placed in an external field. Means here potential energy of a single charge in an external field. This is the formula for this single charge in an external field. Then next. Now the D point is potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. Means here we calculate the potential energy of a system of two charges which is placed in an external field. Here we consider two charges. Means two charges means Q1 and Q2 which is placed at R1 and R2 respectively. Then the first charge Q1 which is brought from infinity to point C. If this charge Q1 is brought from infinity to C, work has to be done. Against the work has to be done. Then this work is W1 is equal to Q1 V R1, means this q1 charge is brought from infinity to the position r1. So there is a presence of electric field. So this is the w1, means work done when the charge q1 is moved from infinity to c. Then next charge q2, which is brought from infinity to point d. Then work has to be done against the force of against the force of electric field eh, electric field q1 and external field means there are two forces acting on q2. The first is the force due to external field. This force, then whenever this charge is brought from q2, means this charge q2 is brought from infinity to point d, then work has to be done against the force of the external field, and this force is, means then the work done is w2 is equal to q2 v r2. Then when this charge q2 is brought from infinity to d, then work has to be done against the force of the due to the against the force due to field of q1, due to force of due to the charge q1. So the w2, it is equal to the formula of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r12, where r12 which is the distance between the charge q1 and q2. Then q2 charge is work has to be done when q2 charge work has to be done when q2 charge is bringing from infinity to point r2. Then total work done total w2 is equal to q2 v r2 plus q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r12. This is the work done, w2 work done when the q2 charge is bringing from infinity to r2. Then by using the principle of superposition, by using the principle of superposition, the total work done which is add up, means w1 plus w2, means w1 means here we calculate w1. So q1 v r1 plus q2 v r2 plus q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r12. This is the total work done, and we know that the total work done means this work done which is the form of potential energy. So the potential energy's formula is last q1 v r1 plus q2 v r2 plus q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r12. This is the potential energy of a system of two charges. This is the potential energy of a system of two charges which is placed in an external field. Thank you. So in next lecture, in next session, we study about the potential energy of a dipole in an external field. Thank you.